Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this Dermatouch Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++, which I bought for 203 rupees. This one, and just now I unboxed this dried blueberries from Granic Farms, which I already uploaded the video on the YouTube. You can check in the description. And after this, I'm going to unbox this 3-piece knife set, which is Elona 3-piece stainless steel knife set. If you want that video also, you can check in the description. So now let me just open this. I'll be just tearing this and opening this Dermatouch Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++. Yeah, this is what the package which is inside, and this is of 30 grams. Okay, yeah, and see here, it's on the package: dermatologically tested, clinically proven, and multivitamin SPA 50 PA++, and sunscreen gel, elatone, shuttle SC, and high hyaluronic acid. So sorry, I'm unable to pronounce those chemical compounds or the ingredients or whatever it includes. And elatone protects from harmful UV rays, shuttle SC protects from photo damage, and hyaluronic acid reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, this video is not a promotion or a recommendation video for you to use this sunscreen, but I just want to show you the unboxing and the packaging details. So whoever wants to just check the packaging and the product details, so for those people this video would be something like informational video. And the user got this for 203 rupees, which is of 30 grams. Yeah, I just want to show you the actual package, and maybe I can apply a small amount also here. Let me take this out. This is what it is inside the package. The same details were also available on this. Yeah, 30 grams. Okay, 30 grams for 203 rupees. So what I'll do this is I'll be just opening this cap. Want to check the color or the texture or how it is when applied to the skin. It's like gel only, not exactly the cream sort of thing, but it's like gel sort of thing. Yeah, see here. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I'll be just dropping the links for this unboxing videos in the description. You can just check in the links in the description below.